In actual DTF production, batch duplication of prints is one of the most common tasks. The key challenge lies in how to effectively maximize material savings and achieve fast, flawless slicing output while duplicating various tasks. In today's comprehensive video tutorial, we will show you exactly how to use Sublistar's advanced DTF printer, combined with the powerful integrated cutting function of the Digital Factory software suite, to achieve a truly perfect, efficient, and rapid slicing output for all your professional projects.
Printer and media setup. The printer used in this demo is Sublistar 6002 UltraStar 4. Enter the printer driver and go to Q Properties. Set the media width here. Since the maximum printing width of this printer is 60 centimeters, select 60 centimeter media. Layout settings. Enter Layout Manager. Because DTF requires mirrored printing, select Mirror Job on Import. Go to Layout Mode and select Auto Nest from the drop-down menu. For image scale, we recommend choosing If Larger. Set space between copies to 0 centimeters to maximize DTF film usage. Production markup settings. Enter Production Markup. In this example, we used the Sublistar 6090 flatbed cutter, so select Sublistar Registration. Set the mark size to 0.5 centimeters. To enable continuous cutting for DTF rolls, make sure Use Segments option is checked. Set the segment length to 60 centimeters. This means the cutter will advance the material every 60 centimeters during cutting. Check Add Start Marks to clearly identify the starting end of the roll. Select Cut from End of Roll, so cutting starts from the last marked position, matching the rolled DTF output. Set the marker margin to 0.6 centimeters. This extra space is needed because the printer uses paper clamps. Make sure Do Not Apply Processing Options to Markup Systems is checked. This prevents white ink from being printed on the registration marks. Cutter Options Settings. Go to Cutter option. Set the Virtual Tile Length to 60, the same as the segment cutting length. Enter Weed Border Settings. Check Enable Weed Borders around each job. Set Offset to 0 centimeters. Set Cut Process to Knife. Enable both vertical score lines in copies, horizontal score lines in copies. Set the spacing to 0 centimeters. These options merge cutting lines between copies, avoiding repeated cuts and improving efficiency. Click OK to apply the settings. At this point, Digital Factory will automatically generate an outer cutting line for each imported job. Printing and cutting workflow. Now import your job and click Add Copies. Fill the layout based on the material width. The software will automatically generate an outer cutting outline for each copy. Click Print and Cut Job. You will get 2 files. One file for printing, one file for cutting. Import the print file into the printer control software. Import the cut file into the cutter via USB. If your computer is powerful enough, you can also transfer files directly via network cable to save time. Cutting operation. After printing and rewinding the DTF film, place it onto the cutting machine. Pull out the tail end and lay it flat on the cutting table. This is the first marker point. Manually align the cutter to the last registration mark. Select the corresponding cutting path and click Cut. the cutter will automatically cut the film horizontally and vertically, completing fast and accurate cutting. Very quickly, you will get DTF prints with consistent size and clean edges.
Fast and efficiency, right? Hope today's tutorial video was helpful to you. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us or leave a comment below. And don't forget to give us a simple quick like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.